Now I'm going to show you how to create a 2D drawing of this frame. Assignment number 4, module 22. First, create a 2D IDW file and see metric mm.idw, create. Then right click, say change edit the sheet size from D to B. Click OK and insert the base view. I'm going to use isometric. So I'm going to move this to the lower left corner. Click OK. And then I'm going to save this file. Assignment number 4, demo. Save. OK. Save. OK. All right. So next, we're going to create a table. There are two lists. Two lists. One is the cut list. The other one is the material list. So let's go to annotate. Use parts list. Click and select the view. Click OK. It says bomb view is disabled in the reference to assembly. Must be enabled to proceed. Do you wish to enable the bomb view? Click OK. Yes. I'm going to put this on the top right corner. Click. And you can just drag this to make all these in a single row to save space. All right. To make your table smaller. But these are not exactly what we needed, right? So we need more item number with more items. So we're gonna follow strictly the cut list in the given document. Double click on the parts list. We're gonna click on the column chooser. We don't need this description, so I'm gonna remove description. Remove. But I need have an item number, which we have already have it. We need have one quantity, but this quantity is item quantity. So we're gonna go to have the item quantity, select item and move up. The second row is item quantity. Third row is unit quantity, which is the unit quantity. It's going to be unit quantity. Click add. And I'm going to remove this total quantity. Remove. And number 4 is part number. It's good. Number 5 is material. So I'm going to click material and add a material after part number. Next one is N1 treatment and N2 treatment, right? Actually, if you check the item properties, you don't have this N1 treatment or N2 treatment. You need to use the customized properties. So you're gonna select new property here and here. What you need to do is type cut detail 1, cut detail 1. And this is the first property you need to add. Click OK. And you're gonna add another one, new property. It's called cut detail 2. Cut detail 2. All right. And click OK. You have these two cut details. All right. And click OK. You see the cut detail 1 and cut detail 2 has all the information about matter, about cut, angle, etc., etc. Next, we're gonna format the item, the column names. All right, the first one, the item is okay. Second one, item quantity is fine. Third one, unit quantity is fine, and the part number is fine. Material is okay. We just need to change the cut detail 1, cut detail 2. All right. Select these, right click, and select the format column. I'm going to change this to first one to N1 treatment. We're going to copy this, Control C, click OK, I'm gonna change this, right click, format column, and to treatment. All right, so I'm gonna change this according to the table given. All right, and then you see there is a problem here. All right, if I click OK, you see now, yeah, first I'm gonna make this every row to be a single row. All right, okay, this is single row, and this is single row now. All right, here we have an item which is frame, it's a material generic. You remember the surface structure, the skeleton we draw to use Eisen's skeleton to add these frames, right? So that one is in the part list. Actually, we don't want to show that part list. So let's go back to the IM file and right click on the frame one. And I'm going to change the BOM structure from default, which is normal, to reference. All right. And change to reference, click save. Okay, some of the modified dependent document can only be saved in the context of another document that is not being saved. So this dependent will be excluded from the save. We click OK, right? Click OK, and you go back to the W file. You see that item number one disappeared, right? So here, one problem here we have is these units, right? We have three decimal places, but in the table given, we don't have these. All right, we're gonna format this column. Click, right click, format column. I'm gonna click substitution, and gonna enable value substitution. No, not here. Column. Group setting, column with, hold on, format column, yeah, format column. Yeah, here. It's not in the substitution, going to be here. By default here is use default formatting. We're going to use apply unit formatting. We're going to change the precision to 0, right? We don't want any decimal places. Click OK. Now see it's integer numbers. We don't have those zeros after decimal points. So this is okay. Click OK now. And next, we're gonna have a second list. Click Save. The second list, we also need to use the parts list. All right, click parts list and click on the view as well. Click OK. So I'm gonna put this on the line here. All right. So we don't need a lot of this information, but we need to have a description here. So we're gonna drag this, make it longer. Part number, we don't need that. Okay, so we're gonna double click on this table. So we don't we're gonna click on the follow column chooser. We don't need item numbers. Click remove. The quantity, yes, we need quantity. We need, well, we don't need part number. We need stock number, all right? So let's see, we have a stock number here. Stock number, all right? We're gonna remove the part number, right? Stock number, description. Next one is material. So I'm gonna select material and add material, all right? Add, and last one is the item, all right? We're gonna add an item here. Click OK, add. This is the last one. Click OK. But you see, there are so many rows, but in the table given, we just have one row for the content, right? So here we have an option to group the settings, all right? So we're going to click group and check here, check group. We're going to group by stock number, all right? And these are all the same stock number, and click OK. You see, now this is exactly what we need, the last row. So we don't want to show the previous row. If you click OK, you see you just have one last row. and all the other rows are still there, right? So I'm gonna double click on this parts list and click on group again. So we uncheck this display group participants. We don't want to show those not highlighted here. They are all group participants. We don't want to display them. So I just uncheck here and click OK. Now I have just one column, which is one column, one row, which is what we need according to the table given. You click. Actually, we need to change this according to the table. So I'm gonna format group. So this is called the total quantity. Total quantity. And the second one is stock number is good. Third one is description. And first one material. The last one is called for items. All right. So right click and click format column and change the item to for columns. For items. All right. Click OK. And the title needs to be changed as well, all right? The title is by default is parts list. See here, we need to change this to material list. So I'm gonna click on the table layout. By clicking here, I'm gonna change the name of the table, all right? Replace parts by material, all right? So this is material list. Click OK. Click OK. Now you have only one row. Make it a single row for all the items. All right. You can make these two tables the same width. So this is for table one. If you want to make it a little bit uh, smaller, the row height. All right. Can be like this. Actually, for this one, you can keep the default one because this is uh, the title, right? For this one, it's not parts list. It's gonna be cut list. So I'm gonna change the name from parts list to cut list, right? Cut list. Click OK. Click OK. So the last step, yeah, you can just move your isometric view a little bit to the middle. Save. Click OK. And last step is to modify your title block, your name here, and the title is shopping storage rack. Shopping storage rack. Click OK and save. So this is how to do the 2D part of this assignment number 4, module 22.